Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link a card to Marshalls. If you don't have a Marshalls account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on My Account. On the pop-up window, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Billing. On this page, you will see an option for Add a new card. Click Add a new card. On the Payment Methods page, enter information about your card. So on the first field, select the card type. Next, enter the card number. After that, click on the drop-down arrow to select the month and year. Lastly, enter information about your billing address. After entering, click on the Save Card button. That's how you link a card to Marshalls. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.